repair presented in this video is performed on a particular frame style. The look of the console or the cosmetic plastics is irrelevant to how this repair is made, as long as your machine's frame style is closely related to that shown in this video. Be sure to unplug your machine before attempting this repair, and do not use power tools to make the repair. To access the incline motor on an elliptical, you will need to remove a number of components. First, remove the plastic shield cover and the shield cover cap located above the crank pulley at the base of the upright. Now remove the plastic cover over the joint where the right-hand upper body leg and the right-hand roller arm pivot. Gently press on the cover's seam until it pops apart. Next, remove the screw and washer that hold the plastic cover in place on the inside of this joint and remove the cover. Now, using an Allen wrench, remove the bolt, nut, and washers that hold the two arms together. Then remove the spacers on either side of the axle and carefully separate the arm and leg. Now remove the pivot axle. Now you must separate the right-hand pedal arm from the right-hand crank arm. With an Allen wrench, remove the bolt that holds them together, along with its cover plate and washer. Then pull the pedal arm from the crank arm. Using a standard screwdriver with a thin tip, remove the plastic disc on the right side of the elliptical. Do this gently, it should just pop off. Remove the screws from the right-hand pedal ring and remove the ring from the peg on the crank arm. Locate and remove the screws in the right side shield covering the right side of the elliptical. You will not at this point be able to remove the right-hand side shield from the elliptical until you have removed the screws from the left-hand side shield. Now remove all the same pieces from the left-hand side of the elliptical. Once you have removed the screws from the left-hand side shield, you will be able to remove the right-hand side shield and have full access to the incline motor. Unplug the incline sensor wire from the incline motor. Then detach the white wire from the elliptical's wire harness. Then detach the front red and black wires from the incline motor. Remove the bolt that mounts the incline motor to the frame of the elliptical. And remove the linchpin that holds the motor to the incline motor arm. Remove the lower bolt, and then remove the incline motor. With the new incline motor in place, replace the incline arm bolt and pin. Make sure that the linchpin is securely placed. Replace the bolt that mounts the incline motor to the frame. Plug the red and black wires back into the incline motor. Plug the white wire from the new incline motor back into the wire harness. And reconnect the sensor wire. Reattach the left and right hand side shields and reattach them with the 6 screws on the left hand side shield first. Now reattach the left-hand pedal ring and snap the left-hand disc into place. Then reattach the left-hand pedal arm to the left-hand crank arm. Next, reattach the left-hand upper body leg to the left-hand roller arm and replace the inner and outer plastic cover for that pivot joint. Now fully attach the left and right hand side shields by replacing the 3 screws to the right hand side shield. With this done, reattach the right hand pedal ring and snap the right hand disc into place. Then reattach the right hand pedal arm to the right hand crank arm. And reattach the right hand upper body leg to the right hand roller arm and replace the inner and outer plastic cover for that pivot joint. Now snap the plastic shield cover and the shield cover cap back into place. Using the Elliptical's console and following the instructions in your owner's manual, recalibrate the incline motor. Once recalibration is complete, the Elliptical is ready to use. If you have any questions after watching this video, be sure to consult the replacement instructions that came with the replacement incline motor.